Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, to test the Antutu benchmark test in the OnePlus Nord 2 device after the recent software update. Yes friends, this is my first time doing this kind of Antutu benchmark test in this phone after the August security patch update. Let me just show you exactly what is the update details. So this is an update which I have received on the 29th of August. Yes, exactly. As you can see, 29th August. Let's see after this new software update what will be the Antutu benchmark score in this OnePlus Nord 2 without using any kind of high performance mode. Yes, so during this demonstration I'm not using any kind of high performance mode because let's see without using any kind of high performance mode will the phone will be able to reach this high score or not, because with using high performance the phone will be able to reach very high scores, but without using the phone cannot reach. That is what my main point of making this kind of demonstration. Right now let me need to start the test and let's check the temperatures. It's of 32.8 degrees at this moment, as you can see. So let's see friends how much high scores we can actually expect in the OnePlus Nord 2. So after this kind of recent update without any kind of high performance mode utilization. So I will be back after some time. So right now as you can see friends, we're getting to the end of the Antutu benchmark test as well, and let's check the temperatures. Temperature is of pretty normal, it's only 35 degrees, not bad. And let's see how much the Antutu benchmark score will be there in this phone without using high performance mode. I'll try to come back with another video as well with using high performance mode. I just want to see how much difference will it make. So with using and without using high performance mode in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below friends. And don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more upcoming videos on the OnePlus Nord 2. After this update, I need to mainly concentrate on the camera stability, how it is in terms of the camera, and battery against mobile game as well. Whether we'll be able to get a 90 FPS or not. I'll try to do those kind of videos as soon as possible. Right now as you can see friends, we're getting close to end of the Antutu benchmark test as well, and the score is about 5,78,000 without using high performance mode after the recent software update, as you can see friends. So if you don't use high performance mode, this is a situation of the OnePlus Nord 2 after the recent software update. As you can see clearly what is happening. And next time I'll try to come back in another video as well with using high performance mode. So stay tuned for those videos friends, in case if you're really interested to know how is the performance got improved or not. So thank you for watching, and meanwhile try to check the playlist for more updates as well. Bye.